All right, let's fire this thing up. Man, I can't believe this. I just re-spooled this reel and there goes 300 yards of mono. Well, check this out. We have a backlash problem. Recently, my son Jonathan and I were using this boat and unfortunately he forgot to keep his thumb on the spool of the reel. And we were dropping down to bottom, doing some bottom fishing, and the result of that is we now have this big old rat's nest in the reel. And what I can do is I can try to untangle it, if at all possible, but I think what I'm going to have to wind up doing is cutting it free, using this pair of nail clippers. Well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. It's great to have you working around the boat with us again. Oftentimes what happens is when you're out on the water and you're fishing is somehow monofilament fishing line finds its way from off of a pole and it winds up out in the water. And the problem with that is when you're running the boat, inevitably you have a tendency to pick up this monofilament line. It tangles around the propeller and it cuts through your propeller shaft. And water starts displacing your gear case oil. Before you know it, bang, catastrophic gear case failure. We're talking $2,500 just for parts. This does not include labor. This is a very expensive proposition. Well, today on Shipshape TV, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be addressing this problem by adding an accessory to the boat which actually monitors the conditions for the first time in the lower gear case. Now, while we're at it, we're going to show you some yearly maintenance procedures that need to be done. We're going to show you how to change out your gear case oil. We're also going to show you how to change out your water pump. But you know what? Before we can get into any of this stuff, shoot, you know the drill by now. You see, we need to work out a little trade-off. We've got to get all of you to spend the next 30 minutes with us right here in the boatyard. And then in exchange, with again the help of a few of my very knowledgeable friends in the marine industry, we're all going to be pooling together in order to do our very best to let you in on a few more ways to make your boat shipshape. What a mess.